Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Google Sheets CRM tutorial. Today I'll be diving into Gemini AI inside Google Sheets and how you can leverage AI inside Google Sheets to generate a CRM, inventory management system, or task list, as well as other dynamic tables and tools that you can create with AI. This is by simply adding a prompt inside Gemini, which is now built into Google Sheets. Now, in order to access Gemini AI inside your Google Workspace account, you do need to subscribe to the add-on inside your admin account. And that's going to allow you to leverage Gemini AI throughout all your different Google apps. Today, I'll be showing you how to leverage Gemini AI inside my Google Sheets CRM called Sheetify CRM. However, you can do this inside any Google Sheets template. And after this walkthrough of Gemini AI, if you find that Gemini AI is not right for you when it comes to generating different tools, spreadsheet templates, and tables for your business, then I'll touch on our Sheetify CRM, which is an all-in-one CRM and business toolkit that allows you to manage your contacts, customers, your sales pipeline, client tasks, your inventory, as well as tickets, and how you can leverage email marketing activities inside this all-in-one Google Sheets CRM template. Okay, so to leverage Gemini AI, let's go ahead and open up a new sheet. And let's go ahead and rename this sheet. I'm going to rename this to inventory, because I'm going to use this sheet as well as AI to generate an inventory management table. Let's do that by simply navigating up to AI in the top right hand corner, then navigate down and add a prompt down here. For me, I'm going to add, please create an inventory management table for a sushi restaurant. Hit enter, give Gemini AI a moment, and as you can see, we now have an inventory table that we can use. We can also edit this table further by leveraging AI. For example, I want to change the currency to euros. Simply navigate down to the prompt and add, please change the currency to euros. And as you can see, all currency has changed to euros. And again, before we insert this table, what we can do is navigate across. And if we want to add another specific column, we can always navigate down to the prompt and ask Gemini to add another column. This could be a specific column that you want to show inside your inventory system. For now, I'm happy with this inventory management system. I'm going to go ahead and click on Insert. And now what we can do is add our own values. Let's now quickly create a CRM using Gemini AI. Simply navigate down and create a new sheet. And this time, what we can also do is navigate up to this table icon, help me organize. And this is another way that we can quickly create a template using AI. This time I'm going to add, and continuing with my theme, what I want to do is create a CRM system for tracking dine-in and takeaway customers for a sushi restaurant. Let's go ahead and click on Create. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. Give Gemini AI a moment to develop your CRM. And as you can see, we now have a CRM system built inside our Google Sheets CRM in just a matter of seconds, leveraging AI. You can see we have these columns up here that we can customize the way that we like. And then over here we have dine in or takeaway. You can see that this element inside our CRM is what we added inside our prompt. If we want to customize this CRM template further, we can leverage AI, or we can simply navigate down to Insert. And then we can manually make changes to these different values. If we navigate over to this drop-down option, we can choose if the contact or customer is dine-in or takeaway. And we also have this loyalty program member column over here, and then notes. Okay, let's navigate down and rename this sheet. I'm going to call this CRM system. And finally, what we're going to do is navigate across, add a new sheet, and this time let's create a task list. Navigate over to Help Me Organize and add, please create a checklist for tasks related to day-to-day operations of running a sushi restaurant. Again, we're continuing with this theme. And as you can see, if we navigate over here, we have the tasks, then the priority status, the due date, assigned to, status, and notes. Now you can see we don't have a physical checklist. I want to add that, so I'm going to navigate up here. Please add a checkbox for completed items. Let's see what Gemini AI is going to generate for us. And as you can see, again, we have the task here, priority, deadline. Now we have staff responsibility, notes, and a completed checklist. Let's come down and click on Insert, and again, navigate across. And you can see we now have this checklist next to each item. Again, we can build off this using AI if we like. Let's navigate down to this sheet, go ahead and rename this Tasks. And just like that, in a matter of minutes, we created an inventory sheet, an inventory management platform using Google Sheets and Gemini AI. We also created a CRM system for managing contacts and customers. And we also have a tasks checklist for managing day-to-day operations inside our sushi restaurant. Pretty cool, huh? And that is how you can simply create anything with Google Sheets and Gemini AI. Now, if you want a more advanced Google Sheets CRM task list, inventory management platform, and communication toolkit that allows you to send messages as well as email marketing campaigns, then my Sheetify CRM toolkit may be for you. If you're interested in learning more about our Sheetify CRM and bookkeeping toolkit that I built with Google Sheets and AppScript, I will add the appropriate tutorials and resources down below in the description for you to check out. Here you can simply manage your contacts, customers, and accounts. Here you can again manage the lifetime value of your customers. Next to that, we have a sales pipeline. Then next to sales pipeline, we have a sales calendar that is built in. We also have a client task checklist. This allows you to manage all your business related tasks. This also connects to the Google Task app. Next to that, we have client calendar, which is built in to Sheetify CRM. Then email templates. These are email templates that you can customize and then bulk send email campaigns directly to your customers. Next to that, we have a visual dashboard that allows you to manage the different analytics and performance of your business. Then we have settings, purchases, where you can manage all your purchases. Here you can manage all your inventory, services, items. Then next to that, we have transactions, and this is where you can manage all your transactions. Then we also have tickets and issues. Again, if you want to learn more about our Sheetify CRM all-in-one business toolkit built with Google Sheets and AppScript, I will add all the resources down below in the description. However, that is everything that I wanted to cover in this complete tutorial showing you how you can create anything with Google Sheets and Gemini AI. If you have any questions, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.